Hello friends, the third drug which I would like to uh, learn today is midazolum. So midazolum, it is a benzodiazepine drug. Sorry, it is a benzodiazepine drug. I'm sorry, not barbiturates. It is a benzodiazepine drug, diazepine group of drug. Now, what are the uses of this midazolum? The main use of this midazolum is, first and foremost, it can be used in status epilepticus. Then it can also be used in anxiety disorders in order to for sedation, or panic and phobia disorders. So these are the main indications. What are the contraindications? Contraindications are presence of acute narrow angle glaucoma. Okay, the other contraindication is myasthenia gravis. Okay, now what are the side effects of this midazolum? One, drowsiness. It is similar to diazepam. In fact, it causes drowsiness. It also causes loss of coordination. Okay, so these are the major side effects. It is about midazolum. Okay, thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.